This isn't only for flooring, it's designed for stunning wall applications as well. Introducing Swiss Rainbow Slate Real Stone, genuine natural slate designed for fast, modern installation. No heavy stone, no mortar, no expensive installers. For wall application, simply remove the tongue on the short side, apply tube adhesive, and secure with a brad nailer into studs through the groove. It's clean, fast, and incredibly efficient. Skip the high cost of traditional stone installation. Create a real stone feature wall without hiring a tile crew. Rainbow Slate features deep charcoal tones layered with natural copper, rust, and mineral veining. Every panel is real stone, so there's no repeating pattern. Each plank is completely unique, with depth, movement, and texture you simply can't fake. The textured stone surface helps diffuse sound, while the cork backing absorbs noise, creating a quieter, more refined space. Perfect for TV walls, fireplaces, home gyms, dining rooms, and luxury interiors. Real stone, easy installation, instant impact. Want to experience it for yourself? Order your samples today. It's in stock and ready to ship. Fauna Cork. Live in a healthier, more beautiful space.